Catching sunnies today. We're going to try to identify as many species as we can. You guys should do a challenge. You should do a worms versus waxworm challenge. Wait, bring it here. You want to do it yourself? Alright, let's identify those something and then take it off. Came off already? It's way too big for you, boy. Bo, show me. Come over here. What kind of that? Nice sideways. You know what that is?
Yeah.
What is it?
A penny.
Sunny? Ooh, that's a big one. You finding that the bigger ones are eating the worms? Let's see that guy. Whose is bigger? That is the age-old question.
No.
Whose is bigger?
Oh, yours is bigger. No. Yes. No. What? Oh, yes.
Oh, that's a bigger one. Look at that orange belly. Love it. Love our sunfish. Look at the little bass. Love our sunfish. You're gonna show us a nice release? What's a nice release? Ooh, very good. You guys are finding the big ones. Show us, demonstrate what a nice release looks like. Not like that. You're using a bear hook? We are doing the bear hook challenge. We're running out of wax ones. So we're officially out of worms. Now, show us what you're using. We're using this tiny, tiny little trout fly. Looks like a cricket. You want to? The fly challenge. Alright, we are moving up in the ranks. Doing a little bit more advanced angling now. Using flies. Ooh, right here, buddy. Using flies now. Bring it over here. Look at that. Oh, he choked it. He choked it. You know, they always say that. Look at that. Look at that black fly cricket.
First cast.
First cast with that black fly. And we're gonna need to apply for that one, bro. Got another big one. I guess bigger. Look at that bluegill. Look how pretty it is.
Hey, fish. Yeah. Hey, fish. Ew, that's a big one. It's a tail. Hey, fish. Chủ nó đấy nè. Nó rồi.
That's a big one. I kite. chilling it tonight. No, you gotta do it yourself, son.
I got him up.
Hey, you catch him, you unhook him. Any fish, boo? Any fish? Sun fishing part 2. We're at Medicine Lake. Using little bait balls. So far we have found some bluegills, small largemouth, perch. Who's gonna catch the biggest one? Dean, is it gonna be you? Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it?
Too drunk on you to drive, so I'm crashing here tonight. It's too late for this to end. Yeah, I got myself too drunk on you to drive, so I'm crashing here tonight. How could I go home?